Hey guys, what's going on? Real talk about trading, episode 45. Look, October 13th, 2023. And guys, if you didn't make at least like a 10x return today, what the fuck are you doing in the markets? You need to go and look at yourself in the mirror right now and say like, oh, Leo, I made 10% today. I made fucking 50% today. What the fuck are you doing in the markets? You go find something else to do. So there's like 121 things I want to talk to you about today. But look, I posted a video earlier saying, hey, it could be a Black Monday. Guys, there's so many things I want to talk to you about, but I just want to highlight a few things about October 13th, 2023 today, with the main intention to help you understand what the fuck is going on with the markets. So, point number one, let's talk about oil and let's talk about gold. Okay, so gold, anytime, just understand the playbook, right? So if you've ever played sports, you got a playbook, you fucking follow it, okay? And if one thing happens, then you do this. If another thing happens, you do this. So when it comes to trading, if there is a war, what do? You don't fucking short gold. You go long that son of a gun. Long gold, okay? But that was the greatest fucking trade of the day, okay? And guess what? Some of you are listening to this and you've heard me 100 times tell you, set up your account the right way. So some of you fuckers made like 2, 3, 500% today, and guess what? You fucked up. Yeah, I'm telling you this, you fucked up because you could have made fucking 3,000% today on gold calls. But you didn't, because why? Well, Leo, I couldn't set up my account to trade options on futures. I couldn't do this, I couldn't do that. Listen, cut all your bullshit and cut all the fucking excuses. Get your account set up for futures, okay? Today is the day fucking gold moves up 55 points. Fucking options go from 10 cents to fucking, 17.5. Good luck, okay, catching a trade like that, trading options. But you can catch a trade like that if you trade gold with 13 market moves. So the point number one is set up your fucking account right and understand the playbook. The playbook is simple. What do you do when there is a war? You fucking buy gold and you buy oil. Okay? Now, this may sound a little bit contradictory because you may be like, well, Leo, last week you said short of oil when it was like 92, 91. Damn right I said it. And that is exactly how some of our traders paid for their house in cash. Because they shorted fucking oil at 91, 92. And they fucking took it all the way down to 82. They took a wild ride. Guys, last week we had one of the biggest oil drops in the last few years. Okay, so there it is. I explained it to you. I've showed you the fucking chart. I said, look, oil here is not sustainable. It's gonna fucking make a drop. But at this point, we're highly bullish on oil. We're fucking bullish on gold, and we're bullish on oil. And we're bullish on natural gas. I've got fucking guys that are up like in the long-term trading accounts. I've got guys that are up fucking 300-400% on natural gas, nat gas /NG. That's the contract you want to trade. But would you know any fucking thing about it? No, because you don't even get the main message that I'm trying to send out in some of these YouTube videos here is get your account set up to trade instruments that 90% of the traders don't even fucking know about. An average fucking Joe that trades on what? Fucking Robinhood? Please. You trade on Robinhood, like, get the fuck out of here. How many times have I told you, get a real trading account? You're trying to save money on commissions? Hold on a second. What the fuck are you doing? You want zero commissions? For what? You can't trade half of the shit, okay, that we can trade here at 13 Market Moves on Robinhood. So why would you trying to save fucking couple $100 in commissions so you could miss out on a trade like trading gold futures that pay you fucking 3,000%? Like, do the fucking math, okay? Your math is highly flawed if you think you're gonna get free commissions to trade shit, okay, that most of the goofballs that don't know nothing about the markets want to trade, okay? That explains the reason why you haven't made shit. So, just please, hear me out. Get your fucking account set up for trading options on futures. And if you still don't know how to fucking do that, make sure you schedule a call right now. Here, talk to someone here at 13 Market Moves. Okay, because the guys that traded gold futures with me today, they are set for the next fucking 5 years. Okay, that's how good this fucking opportunity was. But guess what? You fucking missed it. And it is what it is. But I'm here today trying to record this message because I don't want you to miss out on the next big opportunity, okay? But for the point of understanding the markets and understanding what the fuck is going on, okay, go look at the charts, okay? This is a podcast, but go look at the motherfucking charts and see what happened when the war broke out in Ukraine. Gold went exponentially higher for a very brief moment, but then it really sustained some really, really important levels above 1900. Well, now what you got is a second war breaking out. So anytime, okay, you have a war, I talked earlier about, well, if you play sports, just pull out the playbook and fucking follow it 100%. Your coach tells you, pull out this playbook, you fucking do it. So the war playbook is you fucking go long gold. You buy calls on fucking gold and you buy calls on oil. Especially when the second war outside of Ukraine that is breaking out, okay, is actually now being taken seriously. So we got two wars, and I mentioned in the last message, one of the last few messages, that there is a third war that could be breaking out. It has to do with the boundaries of Armenia. And that you could be having three wars going at the same fucking time. That is the ultimate catalyst for gold to go fucking higher. Okay, there you go. You fucking have it. And the oil calls at this point, sure, we've caught the motherfucking magnificent drop. Oil 92 down to 82. Okay, shit happened in 2 days. You got paid huge. You guys fucking amazing. But those of you that missed that, maybe came in on the second day of the drop, guys, like, you gotta get the timing right. You gotta be ready to take these trades. So the point is, oil, okay, we're bullish on oil at this point. Okay, got 1, 2, 3 wars potentially going on at the same time. Yeah, that's gonna disrupt the world. Absolutely. Okay, we've talked about the politics that's driving this world economy to a checkmate. Okay, it like all the stuff that's happening right now, it is not because it makes sense economically for countries to do so. All the shit that's happening right now in the world is because someone, okay, is driving their political agenda upon others who are no longer accepting it. And that is not a recipe for lower prices. That is a recipe for much higher fucking prices. So considering we've got deglobalization, considering we got 3 wars, well, 2 for a fact at this point, and the third one potentially on the border with Armenia that could escalate to some greater, okay, that right here, guys, the prices are not going to go lower. So you may be asking, okay, well, what the fuck does this have to do? If everything's going to go high, why wouldn't the market go high? Well, let me elaborate on this for just a moment. So this morning, October 13th, if you're a part of the Pain Members Alerts group, you would have gotten the message saying loud and clear before the market even opened that it was going to be a move 2. Now, for some of you that don't have a clue what a move 2 is, a move 2 is the kind of move, okay, that gets you paid in a big way if you're trading same-day options expirations. So, back in the day, I had a defining moment from which I was able to elaborate to the world what the fuck 13 market moves is. And the defining moment was I have taken $12,000 into $544,000 in one trading day. Okay, so it was on a day when a move 2 pattern happened. So for some of you that are new to 13 market moves, you're like, well, what the fuck is 13 market? Guys, we're talking about patterns. There's about 13 variations of anything that can happen on any given day in the market. If you understand what they are, okay, you can plan for it, you can trade it accordingly, and you can beat the market. So the patterns, the charts, understanding what the fuck is going on overall can help you beat the market. The divergences, okay, you combine all this shit, you can beat the market. Average trader that is reacting to what is happening every day. So, for example, you wake up, you're like, oh my God, the market is up, I should buy calls. So, on a move 2, like, yeah, certainly this morning, like I told you in a prior video, I had traders who were missing me. Oh my God, Leo, the banks are reporting good earnings. The market's going to go fucking higher. I said, no, fuck no. You're focusing on the wrong shit. Read between the lines. It's a move 2. The way you trade a move 2 is when shit pumps that appears to be highly bullish in the first 30 minutes, 1 hour when the market opens up. So let's say from 9:30 to 10:30, everything seems like highly bullish. And then all of a sudden, like, oh my God, what the fuck just happened? Okay, I just bought these calls and I'm losing my ass. Well, why would you be losing the ass? Well, it's because you bought fucking calls in a move 2. So a move 2, again, is something that appears to be bullish, but it is a top. It is a top information which is about to unfold. So understanding the move 2 is fucking critical. It is critical to anyone that's trading the market, but much more so to anyone that is trading short-term options expirations. So when I send you a fucking message, it's a move 2, Motherfucker, be ready to make some major money, or don't trade the market. So, for example, we had a guy that signed up, and I've sent him a message like, buddy, do this, buy these puts, buy this, it's a move to. The guy's like, Leo, I'm driving. I'm like, what the fuck? Fucking pull over right now and put on the fucking trade. So the guy has taken like 20 extra minutes. Well, within that moment, the markets on the S&P, they dropped from like 4,400 to like 4,360. Well, that 40-point move on these futures, guys, okay, the guy was coming in with 25K. So he would have been at 100K on the trades I was going to give him. But guess what? He didn't pull over, okay? It's like, Leo, I worked a 12-hour shift. I'm like, man, listen, guys, I'm not here to hear your fucking excuses. Understand this. I don't give a shit what you have going on in your life, and I don't mean to be rude about it. Or I don't want the message to come across in the wrong way. I just want to make a point that the market does not give a shit about what you have going on in your life. What the market gives a fuck about is whatever's happening in the market. Okay, it's the reaction of most market participants to what's going on. And the reaction of market participants to what has been going on has been highly inadequate and inadequate is like a soft word to describe what's been going on. The market has been completely, the reaction of the market to the type of to the type of circumstances we've had is highly complacent, to say the least. So these divergences have been developing for close to a year now, and if you think the market's gonna fucking explode higher from here, you will get fucked. The point here is somebody could have made $1 million in the last 2 days, but they decided that, hey, it's not time yet to go full-blown, cold-hearted fucking buy puts on the market. And guess what? Instead of making $1 million, the guy makes $60K. So understand that these moments in the markets are critical. You could be the guy to be the part of the 44 guys this year. By the end of this year, they're going to make money with 13 market moves to the magnitude is, and again, I don't give a shit where you guys started. Started fucking 5K. You can start at 25K. But the decisions you make have an incredible outcome on where you will end up by December 2023. And I'm recording this message on October 13th. Okay, and I am telling you that market conditions right now, they're nowhere as we would normally see normal market conditions. Basically, I'm telling you the market is fucked. I don't know how many fucking messages, audio, or a video I gotta record showing you charts or just fucking telling you, guys, the market is fucked. The market is about to fucking collapse. This is a golden fucking opportunity for anyone that wants to short the fucking market. So, well, there it is. I think I just fucking said it. And if you didn't hear that message, I don't know. Go buy the fucking dip and lose money. And then you can go call 13 mark moves. I don't know. When you're out of money, why would you fucking do that? Okay, why wouldn't you call 13 market moves right fucking now? We can guide you towards some of the best fucking stocks for shorting right now. Okay, and I gave you guys some easy examples in a video I posted earlier today. But guess what? we got some trades, and go 10x, 20x, 30x, fucking 50x. It just, the point is, all right, I'll be 100% truthful with you. Most of the guys, they're not going to see it for these 10x, 20x, 30x trades. Why? Because an average guy, when he's up 100%, 200%, 300% on options, guess what? He's going to take the little bit of money that the fucker is making. That's the fucking truth. Okay? If you're going to take your profits at 100, 200, 300%, guess what? You will never, ever make 1,000x. You will never make 2,000% return. You will never, ever make 3,000% return. And that is why you need a 13 market moves coach yesterday. Fucking yesterday, when your account was much higher than where it is today. Because what you're doing now is you keep buying the dip. You keep disregarding all the messages that I have been posting out there on YouTube saying the top has been hit in July. You fuckers, it's a trend reversal. Short the bounces. You short the fucking bounces. That is how you make the money now. Okay, and yet, despite of me explaining that 1987, one day fucking 30% crash is about to happen, some of you, what do you guys do? It's a shame. I don't understand. Okay? Some of you fuckers, you see something drop 5 points, you take profits. Why? Why would you fucking do that? Why? It's like you're okay with making just a little bit? And the message I hate the most is some guys send me a message. Well, Leo, I'm going to take a little bit of profit right now so I can leave another day in the market. Fuck that. What do you want to leave another day in the market? Just get this shit over with right now. Just don't trade the fucking markets. Go get a job at fucking McDonald's, okay? And this is going to be nice and steady, okay? Basically, what I'm saying is, you got to take risks in the market. You got to understand the moves. When the move is coming your way, okay, I don't give a shit if you had a 12-hour shift. I don't give a shit if you just closed a goddamn fucking $100 million deal on a business. Okay, fucking let's trade. Okay, the market does not function on your time. Market functions on its own time. So you got to adjust your schedule to the market schedule. Okay, it's not about, oh, Leo, but I'm busy on Thursday because, I'm working full time on Thursdays. Nobody fucking gives a shit. Okay? Like, I had a guy this week who went from $5,000 to like $1,000. Okay, and most of the guys would have jumped out, but he followed the program, and so the guy ended up at $60K by the end of the week. So, only because he stuck with the trades. Now, I had another guy who had the same trades and blown the fucking account. What's the difference? Well, one guy stayed with 13 market moves 100% all the way from the beginning to the end, and the other guy, when shit got a little rough, he jumped out. See, like, you can't be doing that kind of shit, guys, in trading. Like, some of you guys are fucking awesome, but you guys fucking suck as traders. So, you may be highly exceptional at doing some other things in life, but when it comes to trading, you go to 13 market moves. That's it. I'm going to fucking tell you to grab your balls and stick with the fucking trade. When you're going to want to jump out, you're going to be sending me messages like, Leo, I want to jump out right now. Oh, my God, I'm fucking losing 20 grand. I'll tell you to shut the fuck up and stay with the fucking trade. And before you know it, you're going to be up 100 grand. But guess what? If you were doing this shit on your own, you would have jumped out fucking 5 minutes before you even had a chance to text anyone. Okay, so stop doing this emotional bullshit. Study the fucking moves. Understand the market timing. Understand the market criteria. Okay? Here at 30 Market Moves, we're telling you the market is about to unfold in a way that nobody fucking expects. No one. Okay? I mean, no one can fucking see the shit coming. Because people are used to mediocre bullshit that's been happening. Oh, the market. Oh, yeah. We're firing people, but it's controlled. It's good. Hey, but things are not as bad as we thought it's going to be. But it's this, but it's that. Guys, things are about to fall the fuck apart in a way that nobody can fucking see it besides us here at 30 Market Moves. So, if you're tired making a little bit of money in the market, if you're tired of fucking losing money in the market, I'm telling you, you focus with 30 Market Moves for the next fucking 60, 90 days. Okay? Some of you that actually got the balls and the guts to stay through the entire system, to stay with the moves, okay, you will be set free for the rest of your life because you will be making millions of dollars while the rest of the world is what? The rest of the world is fucking cashless. It is desperate. There's no fucking way. You're gonna go borrow money at a bank? Please hear me. The bank is not going to give you any fucking money because banks got a real cash problem right now. Okay? They're not going to borrow any fucking money. Don't be listening to these bank earnings and be a fucking bunny. Don't be a fucking idiot. Okay? The signs are there that banks are taking hits. They're taking charge-offs. They're masquerading this with shit on their fucking balance sheets and bullshit, and that shit is about to come to an end. I'm telling you, you short the banks right now, October 13th, with 30 Market Moves. I've told you guys, okay, BlackRock is going to get fucked. The stock is like $635 today. Watch it where it's going to be 90 days from now. I bet you it's probably going to be in the 400 handle. 520? Okay, guys, that's enough of a drop for you to make a phenomenal amount of money when it comes to trading options. Short-term options expirations. I'm telling you, there's going to be banks that will need to be bailed out. Okay, you're standing in front of, I don't know, one of the greatest phenomenal opportunities in the markets. And if you don't understand it, and if you're going to take trades and you're going to keep jumping out when you're making a few $1,000s, I'm sorry, but you're missing the whole point of what's happening now. You're missing the whole idea of catching a big move that gets you paid in a big way. And if you don't fully understand what I'm trying to explain you in the last couple of months, then you should call us. And when you call us, guys, you should like, I don't have time to talk to everyone, but fuck it. If you're the kind of guy that is determined like Leo, I've got fucking miserable 100K left, and I want to go to 50 mil in the next fucking 12 months. And, you know, when you schedule a call at 30 Market Moves, you should request to speak to me directly. But don't be wasting my fucking time, because the moment I'm going to give you a trade and you're going to jump out of it like a little bitch, okay? Oh my God, it's a bounce, Leo. Oh shit, I'm sorry, I jumped out. Stop. That's why you have been losing money trading the market, because every fucking bounce, if you're a bear, you lose. Every fucking drop when you're a bull, you fucking lose. You have to put an end to it now. October 13th, I'm telling you, the market is on the edge of a drop-off. A magnificent drop-off that the markets have never seen in their fucking lifetime. I may actually be even wrong about 1987. I may be misjudging that the market could drop off by 27%. The drop off could be by 50 fucking percent. So there you go. There you fucking have it. Okay, if you don't get this message, I don't fucking know how to help you guys. Okay, it's happening with or without you. So fucking take action today if you want it to be happening with you. Do it fucking now. And I'll try to record a video tomorrow showing you guys some charts. All this stuff that I'm talking about, guys, it is happening. It is fucking happening. And if you can't see it, just fucking call us. And maybe I can explain it to you a little better. But I'll try to explain it to you a little better in the charts tomorrow. Just understand this. You're sitting in front of a gold mine while the world is collapsing. And you happen to understand this before 99% of the people fucking understand it. And you happen to get in the positions to short the market, which means you gain when the market drops, right before everybody else figures this shit out. Okay? And that's how you make the fucking money. That's how you make the fucking money in the market. It's not by listening to the news. When they're talking about the market crash in the news and you're going to be trying to get in, it's going to be too fucking late. So, there it is. 13 market moves told you. Fucking short it now. Short it now with 13 market moves. You want a life-changing fucking experience, okay? While 99% of the people in the world will be struggling, you could be the one to say, hey, I saw this bullshit coming. I am 13 market moves. I made it happen because I didn't follow the fucking crowd. I didn't listen to the bullshit. I saw through their lies. I saw this system trying to take advantage of me. I fucking saw through all this bullshit. And I said, no, not this time. This is my fucking time to make them pay for all the bullshit that they have been trying to put an average guy through. So this is your fucking moment. Just don't fucking miss it. This is 2007, 2008 type moment. This is 1987 type moment. This is 1929 type moment. Don't fucking miss it, because you will look back and you'll be like, fuck, Leo told me about it. 13 market moves have fucking recorded videos and audios about this fucking drop coming. And you're going to be sitting there wondering, oh my God, fuck, 13 market moves was right about it. They knew exactly what the fuck they were talking about. And you're going to be sitting there wondering, well, why haven't I fucking called them? Why haven't I done this? Why haven't I put, instead of, $500 into this trade, why didn't I put fucking $50K in this trade? I would have been fucking retired for the rest of my life. I wouldn't have to take shit from nobody. I would have my house paid for. I'd have all my cars paid for. I would be pursuing my dreams. None of this stuff that you guys are going through right now would even fucking matter. Okay? You're a phone call away. All I'm saying is, do it fucking now. Because if you do it 3 days from now, there is a high probability that it will be late. Because options will get mispriced, okay? And you could miss out on the greatest fucking opportunity as a trader in the last fucking 20 years, and fast forward possibly next 10 years, because there is a great probability the market will not fucking come back to these levels, just like the market in Japan when it fucking dropped in the 80s. It is just now getting back to the point where it was before. So it could take years for the market to recover. The question is just fucking, have you had enough of bullshit? Are you ready to make the shit happen now? Are you ready to change the course of the things that have been happening to you? This is your fucking moment. So if you're serious about it, I don't give a shit about the size of your account. All I care is that you take action. You call us fucking today, and we will guide you through, guys. That's it, guys. Don't miss. 1929, 1987, fucking 2000, 2008. It's here. Are you going to be fucking smart enough to take action on this before everybody else will? Do it now. Do it with 13 market moves. Let's roll.